Today's episode is brought to you by Sincerely Shalia, my very own greeting card line, written and designed by me for real love and real life. Whether you need the perfect card to celebrate love, apologize, or say what's on your heart, Sincerely Shalia has you covered. So skip the generic and say it your way. Check out my full collection at shaliavinny.com/greeting cards and find the card that speaks for you. I can't wait till you guys check them out. And don't forget to let me know what you think. I love you guys. Hello and welcome to the Love This Way podcast, the show that exists to help men and women everywhere to be better at love. Never any gender wars or back and forth, just great tips to help you find and sustain the love of your dreams. Because love is a journey, but you still need direction. So grab your tribe and get ready, because each episode we're going to be talking about our real life issues, answering tough questions, and building solid relationships with one another as we heal, learn, and grow. I'm your host, your girl, Dr. Shalia Vinny, and today we're tackling the number one reason why so many relationships fail without a single fight, and how to make sure yours isn't next. Are you ready? Hey, my babies. Welcome back to another episode of Love This Way. Now, today I want to talk about what is the number one relationship killer that we don't talk about enough. This is so important because everyone talks about love as the foundation of a relationship. You know, without love, you don't have anything. But here's the real truth. Love without respect is a ticking time bomb, because you can love someone and still talk down to them. You can love someone and still not take them seriously. You can love someone and still not trust them to lead or make good decisions. Yes, love makes people stay, but respect makes them stay happily. So today I want to break down why lack of respect, not cheating, and not fighting is the number one silent killer of relationships. How to tell if your partner secretly doesn't respect you, even if they say they love you. The difference between love, admiration, and real respect, and why you actually do need all three. And then, of course, how to command respect in your relationship without being aggressive or controlling. So by the end of this episode, you're going to understand why so many relationships fail without a single fight and how to make sure that yours isn't next. So first and foremost, I want to talk about why lack of respect is the number one relationship killer. Because love might be what brings people together, but respect is what makes them stay and keep them from destroying each other. Because the hard truth is that most relationships don't end because of some huge dramatic fight. They actually end because one person slowly stops respecting the other. They stop valuing their opinion. They stop listening when they speak. They start making decisions without even considering them. They dismiss their feelings as, oh, you overreacting. Because when respect fades, resentment starts to build. And resentment is what kills relationships. Not fighting, not cheating, not falling out of love. So I want to tell you for sure so you can know how lack of respect manifests in a relationship. There's the first one that I call the eye roll effect. This is when your partner brushes off your thoughts like they don't matter. And then, of course, there's the decision-making disrespect. Like, do they make big choices without considering you? And then the, oh, you'll never leave mentality. Do they take you for granted, assuming that you're always going to be there because no matter what they do or how they treat you, you do stick around? That is not a good sign. Love can survive mistakes and even betrayals, but when respect is gone, the relationship is already over. It just hasn't ended yet. So of course now, I want you to ask yourself, does your partner secretly not respect you? Because respect isn't about saying nice things, it's about what they show you. So here's how you can tell if your partner doesn't actually respect you, even when they say they love you. Number one, they ignore your boundaries. If someone respects you, they're going to honor your boundaries, even when they don't agree with them. But if they constantly push past your comfort zone, it's not love, it's control. Number two, they talk down to you, especially in public. I want you to pay attention to how they speak to you. Are they sarcastic, condescending? Likely they act like they're smarter or better than you. If they wouldn't talk to a stranger that way, why do they think it's okay to talk to you like that? Number three, they don't take your feelings seriously. If they call you too sensitive, crazy, or say you're overreacting every time you express yourself, they don't respect your emotions, because love without emotional validation is manipulation. Number four, they make major decisions without you. If they respect you, they're going to value your input on major life choices. If they constantly make decisions and just inform you later on, they don't really see you as their equal. Number 5, of course, they give more respect to others than to you. I want you to watch how they talk to their friends or their boss or even strangers. If they're polite to everyone but you, that's not a personality trait, that's a choice. If your partner doesn't respect you now, they won't suddenly start later. Respect isn't given, it's either there or it's not. Hey, friend. If you're tired of those generic, impersonal greeting cards, I've got you covered. Sincerely Shalia is my very own greeting card line, written and designed by me to help you say what's really on your heart. Whether it's love, apologies, or just because, these cards speak for you. Skip the cookie cutter messages and send something real. Check out my collection at shaliavinny.com/greeting cards and find your perfect card today. So we've been discussing why respect is important and even what disrespect looks like in the relationship. But now I want to teach you how to command respect in a relationship without being controlling. Because respect is not about demanding obedience, it's about setting a standard. So if you've realized there's a respect gap in your relationship, here's what I want you to do. Number 1, I want you to stop justifying the disrespect. If they're treating you poorly, I want you to stop making excuses for them. Because the more you tolerate, the more that they think it's normal and that it's okay. Number 2, you've got to respect yourself first. The way you carry yourself will set the tone for how others treat you. If you don't hold on to your own boundaries, why would they? Number 3, I want you to communicate clearly and confidently. People respect people who say what they mean and mean what they say. If something bothers you, don't just let it slide. You need to speak up. Number 4, you have to be willing to walk away. And I know this is hard, but the biggest mistake people make is staying with someone who refuses to change. If they know you'll stay no matter how they treat you, they're never going to respect you. Number 5, you have to lead by example. If you want a respectful relationship, you have to be the kind of person who gives and expects respect in every interaction. You don't have to control someone to get respect, but you do have to be willing to walk away if they refuse to give it. Here's what I want to leave you with. Love makes you care. Respect makes you careful. Love says I want you in my life, but respect says I value you enough to treat you well when I have you in my life. Here's what most people don't actually realize. Love without respect feels like a prison because you're emotionally invested, but you constantly get hurt. Respect without love feels like just a business deal. Yeah, you're treated well, but there is no deep connection. But when love and respect are able to exist together, that's when a relationship truly thrives. The way someone treats you when they're upset is the most honest reflection of their respect for you. If they love you but destroy you with their words or actions when they're angry, is that really the kind of love that you think you want? You deserve a love that feels safe, steady, and deeply respected. And if you're not getting that, then maybe it's time to stop asking for it and start expecting it. Now, if you need more help, you know you can always go to shaliavinny.com and book a one-on-one session with me. I love you guys so much, and I'm going to see you on the next episode, okay? Today's show is brought to you by Sincerely Shalia, my greeting card line. Please rate the show on your favorite streaming platform, share it with one person who you think needs to hear it, and ask them to do the same. Remember, good, better, best. Don't you ever let it rest. To your good is better, and your better is best. Until next time, your friend and motivator and relationship strategist, Dr. Shalia. Bye.